Just nod your head when you go. Hi, welcome to Kobe's Kitchen. And on today's episode, we will be cooking with Kobe some wonderful fruit snacks onto the microwave to see what happens. Now, we've done this once and it's pretty cool, but it wasn't as cool as we hope it'll be. Here we go. So, how long should we put in for?
Let's go 15.
15 seconds. So we have the main three are the first three that we put in, the red and the purple. So after 15 seconds, the plate's just hot. These guys really haven't melted. Remember, these are the three that we put in right there, okay? That one's got a little bit of juice coming out. Let's put it in for, we'll say 30 seconds. Okay, that was really cool. That purple one just like exploded. So that was about 25 seconds. Let's pull it out. So this guy is very melted. Let's see, what would happen if we took one and squished this? That didn't work. Listen. They just melt together. Now let's finish it up with our last 20 seconds, and this will be our final result. So, and we are also always in the market for sponsorships. See, I like to match. Not a sponsor, but go check State Farm out. There is our end result. It went from being it went from one of these guys right there all the way to gooey, nice gooey mess. They still taste wonderful. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe for videos. If we can get 300 likes on this video in the next 2 weeks, I'll do another microwave video, but comment below what you guys want. See you next time.